Hello guys, good morning. Ayan guys, bibigyan ko yung alaga kong aso na pandesal. Ayan, come here love, come here. Okay. Yeah, ayan Mika. Ayan si Mika. Ay Mika, oh, ito na pandesal. Ayun, nalaglag. Here. Here. Mika, come up. Up. Ayan. Oh. Gusto niya guys, hinihimay yung pandesal bago siya kumain. At gusto niya yung mainit pa, kainin yung pandesal. Ayan. See? Ayan. Okay. Oh, eat. About you, Mingming. Mamaya, Mingming. Bili tayo ng food, cat food, ha? Oh, one more, Mika. One more. Oh, one more daw, guys. Ayan. Here. Love. Ayan. Mika. Ay, Mika. Ayan, si Mika. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Kasari. Ayan. Oh, kumakain siya ng pandesal. Love, here. Love. Okay, ayan. Oh, Mika. Ayan guys, thank you so much everyone. God bless you all. Bye everyone. Mika is eating pandesal bread. Okay. Bye. Si bye Mika. Si bye love. Bye. Si bye. Okay, bye everyone. I love you guys.